So, continuing where my brother Avrohom left off last week, he started explaining the reason why we have b'ta'amim, we have this trup. He was saying how it is part of the soul. It's the soul of the pasuk. Besides it being a melodious tune that we sing with the psukim, it is more to it. What he said is very true. In fact, if you look at the name, what are they called? The trup. What in Yiddish we call trup. In Lashon Kodesh it's called simoni hata'amim. And tam translates into flavor. Tam means flavor. And if you look at different psukim, the flavor of the pasuk comes out through the tune that we use. Now there's many different types of symbols that represent different sounds, different tunes, and each one has a name. You will notice in a lot of chumashim, in the beginning, they have a little bit, like a small little paragraph in the beginning of the chumash explaining each symbol and its name. A lot of bar mitzvah bachrim, when they start learning how to read, how to lane in the tune, they will start learning from this. That will be the first thing that they learn. Zareko munach zegol munach rivi machpach pashto zokev kotoin zokev godol mercho tibcho munach es nachtom Pozer tilishok tano tilishok doilo kadmo ve'azlo geidesh gershayim darego sevir yisiv pesik soif pasuk. There's also a few very specific ones, very unique ones. Ones that are not going to be, they're not very common. They're used only a few times throughout the Torah. The most famous one that everyone knows is the shalshelis. It looks like a zigzag, but a multi-zigzag. Shalshelis. And then there's also karnei farah, which people have a dispute at exactly how it sounds, but it's a combination of both the tlisha gedola and the tlisha ketana, and that is the symbol of it. The reason why it's called karnei farah, which literally translates into the horns of a cow, is because that it looks like that. So most people have the minhag that this is how they lane it. They lane it with the tlisha gedola and the tlisha ketana. So karnei farah. Obviously, there are differing opinions on exactly how we do it. There's also something called a b'ta'מים. It's the opposite of a gershayim. Gershayim is two lines going backwards on top of the word, while b'ta'מים is two lines going on the bottom, and it sounds b'ta'מים. It's the opposite of a gershayim. And it's been used, I believe, only like 3 or 4 times throughout the Chumash.